Hope y'all been good. Hope y'all been straight. Everything been copacetic in y'all lives. But today we got a Fast and Furious 9 clip titled Truck Flip. And you know they going all out, man. They ran out of ideas, man. They just doing any damn thing now. So we gonna check this clip out called Truck Flip. I ain't gonna waste your time, man. We gonna get right to it. Oh, they showing how they made the shit. Oh. 25th, man. Alright, man, y'all seen it, man. That's what it is, man. They doing any damn thing now. I don't even know what to say, bro. But it'll be out June 25th. That's about 2 weeks. In about 2 weeks, so you know I'm still gonna check it out, of course. But yeah, they doing any damn thing, man. I'm gone, man. Peace out.